Alright, welcome to the aspect of this tutorial. In our today's tutorial, we shall be talking about how to design a letterhead for your business. Is it small or medium business using Microsoft Word? Make sure you stay tuned as you watch. Please like, comment your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Now we can quickly launch our software. Go to the file menu, under new. If you have any good template of letterhead, you can easily select to continue with your work, but in this case we are going to select the black document to do whatever thing we have to do. Now when we select the black document, we need to allow it to load. Now when it has opened, we are going to go to our page layer, set the page size, put it on A4, the narrow margin is okay. Now the first thing we need to do is to bring our image. We'll go and look for our logo by clicking on insert from the insert menu. This is where I click. By clicking let me take a step back. Okay, hold on. Let me take a step back. Slowing down. So now you are going to click on this insert menu. Then when you are click on the insert menu, the next thing you should do is to click on image. Then when it takes you to your system, you are going to go to the location you have your logo. Select the logo. This is the logo we shall be using in this episode. So now I will have to put the logo. To easily move the logo, you can see I cannot easily move it. To easily move this logo, we need to select the position. Select any other position that is different from this first position. So let's select this. Then we can now bring it back. Now you can see we can move it easily now by selecting one of the position. Then on text wrap, so that subsequently when we have text, there will not be issue of arranging the text in line with the logo. So we need to say the logo should be in front of text or behind text, whichever option you select. Now the next thing we are going to do, we are going to insert the word art. In this word art, we are going to select the effect that is okay by us. In this case, we are going to select this effect. Then when we select the effect, we are going to type the company name or the organization in which we will say equity billions multinational. Now we are going to change the font color as well as the font character. Want to use impact. Believe impact is okay, but impact is too joined. We need a font that is more bold but not too clustered together like that of impact. So let's look for a suitable font. Let's go for this font. Let's increase this box so that we have space to increase our text. Let's increase the text. Now if you look at this thing very well, let's reduce the font size to 45. I believe this is great. Now if you look at this very well, you will see that the color of the text does not match the logo. So we are going to go to font color and we are going to change the color. Let's go for this color. Go for this color. And the next we have to do, I'm going to insert a shape. In the aspect of this shape, that is where we are going to do our typing of the address or whatever. So I'm going to start a shape like this. by putting this shape, I'm going to give the shape fill color that is close to this thing. Then the outline should be no outline. I'm going to move it. Let me move it. Let it be the same line with the name of the company. I'm going to select that box and select this box. Let me move it to the left side a bit. Then adjust the logo a bit. Now I'm going to now write my address, which I'm going to select the text box. I'll click on draw text box. I can now write my address by clicking and say Julius L. Mary Anthony to Cafe Expressway Area 1 Massacre LGA Nasarawa State. So I'm going to select the font that will be best for this. Let's go to home, select font. I believe the best font that can go with this is this bash scripts. This bash scripts is the best one we can use, the best font. I'm also going to set the size. Let's increase the size 14, and we are going to set it centralize this thing. So take it here. We are going to go under format and say no fill color for that shape and no outline. Then we'll reduce this thing in this situation. We are as well still going to increase the font size. See, increasing the font size. Let's increase the font size to the 16. Let's see if 16 is okay. Now we are going to highlight. I'm putting white color. Now the aspect of this shape, I want us to duplicate the shape. I want to make a shape, so going under format, let me send it backward. Then the fill color, I'm going to change the fill color, going to be like that. Undo. So the fill color is going to be a lighter color. Now, okay, let's send it back again. Send to back. Now let me change the fill color to another different color. Let me see whether it's at the back now. Okay, it's at the back the way we want it. So we are going to change this fill color of it to this type of color. Now you can break this logo down, place it here. Now we can actually type the telephone number. In this case, we want to have the contact detail at the downside. Now in the aspect of the outline, this shape here, going to click here. We are clicking on a certain insert shape, click on any of this line, then you are going to hold down shift before we drag so that the line will be straight. Hold down shift on your keyboard before you start dragging. You are going to go to shape outline, go to weight. You are going to increase the weight. Now we are moving it up. In this up aspect, I'm going to put this color, and I'm also going to duplicate. Move it down. I'm going to give it, I believe the up color, the up outline should have this color. Let's select the two of them. I'm increasing the shape weight, which we can make it more thicker. Color is not that visible. I want to use color. It's not shouting, not too much. So now we are going to duplicate this logo by clicking on the logo and clicking from our keyboard, Ctrl D for our keyboard, and bringing it to the center. Let's see first. How do we save our work? Is by going to File menu, click on Save As. For the first, you select Browse, then go to the location you want to save it and save the work. Letterhead ABM2. Now we save it. Now we are going to reduce this zoom so that what we are seeing here, you may see the whole picture here. Now we are going to make this big. We have made this big already. How do I apply washout to this? We are going to go Other Format, then we are going to go under Color. Is it washout like this? Is it washout in this color? Or we can see Set Transparency Color. Okay. Now we are going to select this washout. I believe this is best, or this. Select any of this washout. It is okay. We have it as a watermark background inside. Then in the down aspect, we are now going to put the contact detail. We click on Insert. We are bringing a shape. And the shape field, we are going to put something of this nature. The outline, no outline. You can now zoom it out. Then we'll take this up. Let me save. I'm going to come to this right up, Ctrl D. Sorry. Let me click on the box, Ctrl D. I duplicate it to 2. I'm moving one of them down. So when I move it down, I just have to edit the content inside. So Ctrl A, I'm now going to say there 0906165709094260610. Let me break it down to this side so that you can see it. The first side there is going to be for inquiries. For inquiry, please contact. Now we are going to resize let's take this thing down this way. Let's resize the box first, then we can now put it the way we want to put it. Now, with this, we have designed our business logo using Microsoft Word. So, if you have email address, you can divide, you can increase the ribbon down and this down aspect, increase it, then divide it into two aspects where you put the full contact details. In that case, you are not going to do it in a straight line like this, but you are going to use two paragraphs, by either by the left or the right have the phone number, or if by the right have the phone number, by the left you put the email address including the website or any other details you might want to put concerning the business contact details. So in this case we are through. So if you want to have your work as PDF where you have saved your work, you can come to this save as command, click on browse, then you have to click under this save as style, you select, you click on it. From the drop down list you are selecting PDF and you click save. As you click save, now we have our work now on PDF. You can now open the work on PDF. This is the letterhead that we have designed. Mind you, this logo have been designed before now, so you must have designed your logo before you come to this side to design the letterhead. So this is the easiest and one of the simplest way to design letterhead with Microsoft Word. So if you wish to know how to design a logo with smartphone, CorelDRAW or any other software, you can comment in the comment section below. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment your thoughts. Goodbye. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching our video. If you are enjoying this video you are currently watching, or this video have the in-depth or a past knowledge to you, or you are excited with this type of content, you can subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. Please comment your thoughts in the comment section. Feel free to reach out through our contact details from our channel if you want us to make any video of any choice pertaining this aspect of this content. Please also share so that YouTube can also recommend this video for other viewers that may want to learn from this video. Thank you for watching. We love you. Mwah.